Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate and empty all your junk email on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Outlook.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. The left-hand side navigation menu, go within your email and scroll to the bottom where we should have a folder that's called Junk Email. Click on this. We want to now select all the junk email at the same time. Either we can click 1, 2, and then here we have this option to select all. Or what we can do is go to the middle of this junk email, select. This will then bring up the option that allows us to select all the junk email and empty the folder. So that's now permanently deleted. And then we will need to go to deleted items to go recover items deleted from this folder, 6 items. Click on those deletions, right click. We need to delete these items forever. Click on OK. Items in the junk email were deleted, sent to deleted items, which were then deleted again. And now formally removed from email and the folders that had these emails in them. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.